Welcome back to episode 4. Winter's definitely setting in. Today is fresh, so hopefully the boys around at the house that have been doing the work haven't been too cold. We've also got Isaac in the passenger seat. So Isaac's our video editor and been with us for a couple of months now, doing an awesome job, and is also part of the reason why we need more space and is setting up the office.
When they laughter, drunk off my own grapes, yes, I'm blasted, pockets is fatter. Without peace, what does it matter, manifesting this madness? My career's center stage, you just a sideshow. Carrying the shame everywhere that I go. Ain't no way this can continue, I know. But do I want that mercy or that mercy lie go? I'm flawed.
So a bit of a change since last time. We've got Woodsy and Radar in there. They've been in there the last couple of days doing an awesome job. You can see what the exposed plywood looks like on the walls now. They've just been going through doing the skirting, architrave, and pretty much all the finishing touches. So it's getting super close now, only a few days off from painting. Cheers for checking in again. Episode 4 done and dusted. Hopefully next time everything might be all painted. Stay tuned for the next one.